Australian all-rounder James Faulkner has ruled himself out of his side's second Cricket World Cup fixture against Bangladesh, which would take place on Saturday, and has provided no timeline on his return to fitness. Faulkner suffered a side strain in the one-day Tri-Series final against England 2 weeks ago and missed Australia's win in their World Cup opener over the same team in Melbourne on Saturday. World Cup 2015, Glenn McGrath condemns criticism over Shane Watson's first ball dismissal against England. He claimed that he has no chance playing against Bangladesh, adding that time's sort of flown a bit, but he is hopeful of being back sooner rather than later. Faulkner has been batting in the nets with no discomfort and said that he expected to resume bowling this week. He said that he hasn't been given any fitness deadline, adding that he is not sure what the selectors' plan is. The all-rounder said that he would just do as he is told with the medical staff and concentrate on that, adding that it's rehab 24/7 for him and would continue to be until he is back. Please subscribe the video.